in the picture.
Oh, there.
You see you're in there now?
I do.
Okay.
You're so tall.
But when you when you talk to the people,
Look at the...
look there.
Oh.
Don't look at that.
Oh. Okay.
Because that way your eyes are looking right at them.
Hi
okay?
there. Yes.
Yeah.
You came to see this old lady, didn't you?
You want eye contact.
Oh, I know. Okay. Eye contact.
Well, I'm here with 85-year-old Dolores Beck, tennis player, musician. She's quite the lady, and incredible mover, 85.
Thank you, Tom.
What do you like so much about tennis, Dolores?
You said it, Tom, the movement.
The movement?
Yes.
I don't want you to cover your microphone.
Oh, technique
Okay.
on the tennis court, but not technical off it. My
Okay.
movement, I love the
She
moving.
loves to move.
It's like dance therapy, that's what I call it.
Dance therapy. Yeah, tennis, I've even used that before.
I say that all the time.
That tennis is like dancing.
Yes.
You know, it's a movement situation.
Yes.
Yeah. But she's a great mover at 85, and she was so sad because she hadn't played in a while.
Yes, too much work. I need to work for a living, not retire.
You teach piano, what else?
I teach a lot of instruments.
A lot of instruments.
Piano and some guitar and ukulele and electric bass.
Yeah.
And also tennis. I have a new job. I'm a coach at Tennis
She's
Pro.
coaching now. She's
now
doing great.
in a facility, and I love teaching, and I work especially with stroke survivors that have lost movement and used to be good players.
Yeah.
And it's so rewarding to restore them back or to change something. You have to sort of change something, and they're very happy, and it makes me happy.
That's nice. That's nice.
Yeah.
You're a giver, Dolores.
Only.
Yeah.
Yeah, so
There's
I don't...
more happiness in giving than in receiving.
Yes.
Yes.
You're a giver too, Tom, because
I try.
you gave me... he gave his time for me. That's a giver.
All right.
Okay.
So we're hitting some balls, but she's giving me a little workout here. She can hit the ball, and she's got good stamina, endurance for 85.
Yeah, it's a number, Tom. It's a number.
It's a number. It's all it is. It's a number. So what do you do to stay so healthy besides moving and your music? What about your diet? What kind of food are you eating? What don't you eat?
Well, I don't call it a diet. I just eat what feels good for me, and that is really not always the American food. I don't eat pizza.
No pizza.
No pizza. I don't even eat pasta.
No pasta.
I eat no desserts, no cakes. I haven't tasted a cake, a pie, or cookie since I was a little kid.
Wow.
Because I feel, what do I want, the cookie, or do I want to run on the tennis court? And it always comes back, I want to run on a tennis court.
Yeah.
So I'm not depriving myself of something. I'm just feeling good. So if I won't have the cookie or the cake, I mean, I can have, I don't know, piece of fruit.
Piece of fruit. Absolutely. You know, I was mentioning to people the other day that, you know, like a baby, right? Babies are always putting things in their mouth, right?
Yes.
Why do they do that? They want to taste it to see if it's edible. They want to see if it's food. And if it's sweet, they eat it. But like Dolores, we don't want to give our children, you know, cakes and cookies and pies and all that stuff that's loaded with oils and processed sugars.
Yeah. I'll be honest with you. Yeah. I was raised that way. My father was a candy maker. My mother worked in a family bakery.
Yeah.
So everything came home.
Yeah.
And all of a sudden I said, I don't want to look like this. I don't want to do that. So it was very easy. Little by little, I turned it off.
Nice.
Now, if somebody would serve me something and it had sweet, I would spit it. It's a reaction. I would spit it out immediately. Wow. I noticed that. Wow. I just like,
But the beautiful thing about fruit is that fruit satisfies our sweet tooth, our craving for sweets. Because I firmly believe, well, according to the Bible, the first food that God gave Adam and Eve was fruit. We're designed for sweet foods. So, but we don't want the wrong ones.
I know.
That's all. We want the fruit, that's all.
Yes.
You know? With the water. The water in it. It's not been baked and all the water's out of it, you know?
Yes.
Yeah. Dolores is going to show you how good she can hit one more time. You ready, Dolores? Show them what you can do.
Yes, thank you.
All right. We still have to get together someday and do some music.
I love it.
Yeah.
Yeah.
All right.
Yes.
Dance, Dolores. Come on.
Hello, that was so much fun.
Did you enjoy that?
Oh, so much. It's so much fun to hit with you, Tom.
Oh, good. I enjoy it too.
Thank you.
It's a pleasure.
Thank you. My pleasure.
Yeah. So, what have you got to do to reach 85 and move like her? you have to move.
You don't
have to
stop.
move.
It's like
Don't stop.
You don't stop breathing. You don't stop talking.
Don't stop
so
moving.
don't stop moving. Do I jog? Oh, no, I'd never jog because my legs are very strong because I don't pound them on the pavement. I sprint.
She sprints.
Yeah.
How far do you sprint?
Oh, when I see some stairs, whoosh, up I go up the stairs. I work stringing rackets. Can I say who I string for, or should I not? Yes.
Well, go ahead.
The PGA in Naples. I'm a stringer, and whenever I have to deliver something, I run back to the front. And if it's a nice, young, handsome, tall man, I say, "Come on, will you sprint with me?" And he goes, "Yeah, sure." No, we're running like this, and I'm running, and I'm saying, "How you doing?"
She's amazing. She can move. But and she does it. She eats whole foods.
Yes, only.
No junk.
Oh no,
No
junk.
pizza, no cookies, cakes, stuff like that. No. And we're going to get her eating more fruit, and she's going to make it to 100.
Oh, I know I am. Let's reach 90 first.
Yeah.
Yes.
And she played in a national tournament.
85, my first 85
and over.
Yeah.
And she won her first round.
Not on the 85s, in the 80s.
Oh, in the 80s, okay.
In the 85, I had a good opponent, and I kept hitting the ball to her because I don't get to find anybody to practice with. I mean, regularly I don't have a practicing. I have a ball machine, so I need to be able to work on points, finishing points.
Finishing.
Which I don't do.
There's an old saying in tennis.
Okay, I can hardly wait.
Hit it where they ain't.
I know it.
Don't hit it to them.
I haven't learned that yet.
Sometimes there's a time to hit at people, but most of the time, hit it where they ain't.
That's the comment people make.
Make them move. Yeah,
that is true.
Yeah. All right, so Dolores, thanks so much for the hit today. Appreciate it.
Thank you, Tom, and thank you for watching all the good stuff that Tom does, Tom Avery.
Thank you. Yeah. Thanks a lot. And we'll have Dolores back, of course.
Oh, I hope so.
Yeah. Maybe with her ukulele, who knows?
Well, this is my racket.
This is her racket
My instrument.
That's her instrument. Wow. Yeah. And she's doing well.
Thank you.
All the best. Please subscribe to the channel. Give us a like. Give us a thumbs up. And make any comments or questions. You can ask Dolores a question down below. All righty?
Yeah, that would be nice. Bye, everybody. Thank you.
Take care.